Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Dammy Tanny. Thank you so very much for the support you have given me so far. For all my returning subscribers and for new subscribers, you're very much welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you so much for the support you have given me so far. Today we'll be learning how to make mushroom and potato soup, and I can't wait to get started. The ingredients for today are diced potatoes. I have them diced already. I have my mushroom chopped already. I have diced carrot, and I also have diced scotch bonnet and onions. Now that my pan is on fire, I'm going to go in with some oil. I'm using vegetable oil for this particular dish. If you have any other oil that is healthier than that, you work with that. I'm going to go in with some thyme now. I like to fry my thyme. Frying your thyme just helps to activate the flavor of the thyme, although you need to fry under low to medium heat so that the thyme doesn't get burnt. I've gone in with my diced onions and my diced potato at this point, still under low to medium heat. I'm just gonna keep frying this and then go in with my diced carrot also. At this point, I'm going to stir everything together. Remember to leave your light or your gas under low to medium heat, because we do not want this food to get burnt and we do not want it to cook prematurely. We just want to slowly fry it. This process is actually called the saute process. I think I've mentioned it in one of my videos in the past. It is actually the process of using some butter or very little oil to slowly cook veggies or whatever you want to cook. And then I'm just going to go in with garlic granules at this point. You already know, if you've watched my videos in the past, you already know that I cannot cook without garlic. It is awesome. And then this hot chili powder. I also like pepper. Garlic and pepper are my two best spices in the world. And then this chili pepper is just so disappointing because it is not peppery at all. And then I'm going to go in with some seasoning powder. Please, all my fans, all my fellow pepper lovers, you guys, is there any meal that you can cook without pepper? Please let me know in the comment box below, because there's literally no meal that I can cook without adding pepper. In fact, I'm beginning to think that I should start cooking oats with pepper too. So I'm just gonna stir all of my food together, still under low to medium heat. I don't want this food to get burnt. I also don't want it to get charred or get stuck to the pan. So I'm just going to do this. Actually, I advise that you use a non-stick pan when you want to saute, because it just helps the process, and then you don't have to worry a lot about your food getting sticky to the pan or stuck to the pan. Now I'm going to go in with my diced pepper, and I just like the color that this pepper is giving my food at this point. I like colorful meals. It is very good for your appetite. When there's a lot of colors in your food, it just kind of stirs your appetite. So after sauteing everything together, everything is looking good already. Is looking yummy. I'm going to go in with my mushroom at this point. This mushroom is just so underrated. It is super nutritious and super packed, and it is very healthy. This dish is actually kind of like a vegetarian dish. Vegetarians can eat it also, and it is super packed. Now that everything is looking fried together, and oh god, this thing is already looking yummy. I'm just going to go in with some boiling water. This boiling water, not too much of it, because you already cooked everything in your pot at this point. Not too much of the boiling water. This boiling water is actually to create the soup. Some people will use thickener, but I'm not a fan of thickener. So I'm just going to leave the water and let it take up all the ingredients. Let it soak up the flavors of everything that I've cooked. Let it simmer together and combine all the flavors. And here you go. Your soup is ready to be eaten. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.